explore a little different way of putting this into practice so we start to discover things in ourselves. These involuntary intentions that keep us from loving. Okay? So with that in mind, may I use you as an example? Okay. In a battlefield, in a conflict situation, we have developed ways of dealing with a threat. Okay, here comes this invader. So when he comes out, I put up a spear. Okay, now a spear is a channeling of energy into a nice sharp point. Okay, a blunt spear is not going to have the same impact as a real pointy one. That's a focus of energy into a narrow, constricted flow. And it's going to go right into his central core. Okay? Another strategy, now the good thing about this is if there's a threat coming, my spear will take care of the threat. The threat will be no more. If it's a good sharp shot to the center, he's gone. The threat is over. Okay? But if I come out with a spear and he's got a spear, and we both spear each other, I have nothing in defense. I'm spearing him, he's spearing me, and there's a chance that we can both perish. Okay, so there's a good side to this and a bad side in terms of the conflict. Okay, the next strategy is an invader comes in and I put up a shield. Okay, now the good thing about a shield is that I'm not going to get hurt as long as my shield holds up. I can deflect the spear, I can let the spear come in all at once, and I'm safe. Okay? The detriment is the problem doesn't go away unless it decides that it's tired of trying. Okay? Like a bear trying to get into a turtle shell. Forget that. Okay, that's what the turtle's counting on. It's in its shell, it's going to sit there until the bear goes away. Right? So the good side is I can protect myself. The bad side is I can only protect myself as long as he doesn't continue trying to find things to get through the shield or finding ways to get around it, like prying the shell open, okay, or hammering through with enough force to break through the shield. Okay? The last strategy is the invader comes, you want to run away. Okay? The good part about that, if I'm a fast little rabbit and I can get down in the hole before the eagle can get me, then it's pretty good. I don't have to deal with the threat. The threat stays a distance away, and I don't have to put up a shield, I don't have to withstand anything, and I don't have to try to kill it, I can just get away. The detriment to this approach is if he's faster than me, I got nothing. He's going to get me. Okay? So these are all battlefield intentions. And they come out actually through our intention. And those intentions will manifest in our body the same way. So our first thing we're going to do today is we're going to experiment with that and how these things feel in our body. So we're going to take a partner, and I'm going to take my partner's hand. Now, my partner is not going to try to feel what I'm doing down here. He's going to be open to understanding my intention. Okay? So in other words, if Heine goes to grab me, I'm not going to, let's see, what are you doing? And if he pushes into me or something like that, my hand is not going to just retreat into me. I'm going to be actively seeking to understand his intention. Okay? So he's going to do that for me now. And I'm going to think, not say anything, but I'm going to, through my intention, think, go away. And he's going to feel that and identify that as a spear. Okay? Then I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm still going to have his hand, but I'm going to think, and through my intention, mean this thought of, don't come any closer. And he'll feel that as a shield. And he'll feel the difference between a shield and a spear. Then, last but not least, and it doesn't have to be in this order, you can mix it up, I'm going to just think he's not a threat. I don't want to deal with him. And he'll feel that and identify it as a withdrawal. Okay? Now just so you know, this is not a withdrawal. That's a spear moving that way. Okay? A withdrawal is letting go of the intention of having any interaction with them. It would be like this. If I said, hey, look at the fire exit sign, my intention informs my system and my body follows suit, right? If I withdraw my intention from pointing, My hand doesn't do this. It just, the intention goes away and my hand drops. Okay? So that's the withdrawal. So you're going to take a partner, and you're going to take your partner in Patate style, same mirror side grab, and the person who's grabbing is going to do one of the three things, all three of them, but in any order. Okay? And he identifies them. And if you're right, you move on. If you're wrong, he's like, whoa, how did we feel that different? Okay? And then we'll go on this side. Okay, and then we'll switch. All right? Give it a try. Grab your partner.